Hello and welcome to the next video of the tutorial sequence. In this video, we will show you the possibilities of Symbaloo tiles. To add a tile, simply click on an empty cell in your Webmix. From there, you can either select an existing tile from our library or type in the name of the website you want to add. You'll notice a check mark appears on top of each tile icon. That means that tile is already part of your current Webmix. You'll also see different tile types available. For example, when selecting a newsfeed tile, click where it says Websites, and a drop-down will appear showing the various tile categories. Choose News Feeds. And once you adjust the tile size, optional, you'll be shown compatible feed options that you can add. Next, you can also select to add radio tiles. The recommended size will be displayed, and once added, you can drag and reposition the tile without needing to exit the menu. Additionally, Symbaloo offers a variety of pre-loaded resources and games. These can be added to your Webmix just like any other tile. You can also add widgets. Simply select from our available widgets and place them where you'd like. You will need to make sure that you have enough space when attempting to add the recommended size. You can click on Import Browser Bookmarks to add your existing favorites. We recommend clicking on the provided link. Once complete, the tiles will automatically appear on your Webmix. We'll cover this in more detail in another video. You can also import tiles from your existing Webmixes. Each available Webmix is shown at the top, and you can switch between them at any time. Next, let's go over how to edit tiles you've already added. Right-click on any tile to open the menu. On that menu, click the Edit option, and you will be able to edit the name of the tile show, or hide the name, embed the website so it opens within Symbaloo if the site offers it, change the tile size to make it more visually appealing, change the tile's icon. Choose from pre-existing icons. Upload an image from your computer or use one of Symbaloo's built-in images. You can also quickly move to the next tile using the arrows without needing to close the edit window or right-click. The editing menu will offer you the ability to copy the tile and move it to a different Webmix. Delete the tile by right-clicking and selecting Delete. Or drag it to the top right where the share icon is. The Remove Tile option will appear, and you can drop it there to delete it. If you share your Webmix, don't forget to publish your updates. Click on Update Webmix Changes, wait a few seconds, and you'll receive a notification at the bottom confirming that everything is up to date. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.